Mercedes-Benz has been developing its own automatic transmissions for over 50 years. Each of the up to now 5 transmission generations set benchmarks in terms of comfort, vehicle dynamics and reliability when they were launched. An important element of this success story, the Mercedes-Benz automatic transmissions have, right from the start, always been produced at the Stuttgart Heidelfingen location. There, experienced employees install more than 1 million units every year in state-of-the-art production facilities. The development goal for the new automatic transmission was to significantly reduce the fuel consumption while further increasing the comfort and driving pleasure. The Mercedes-Benz engineers worked on the evolution of the 7G Tronic for 3 years. A highly motivated team reworked the transmission one part at a time. Countless test runs were carried out on the prototypes under the most severe of operating conditions, which allowed for a detailed further improvement of the transmission. The result of this development work is impressive. The new 7G Tronic Plus on its own allows for fuel savings of ½ a litre per 100 kilometres. This corresponds with a reduction of up to 17 grams of CO2 per kilometre. The high fuel saving is achieved through a wide range of innovations which significantly increase the transmission efficiency. The most important new development is the torque converter. In lock-up mode, it establishes an even more direct connection between the vehicle drive system and transmission. In this connection, an almost slip-free transmission of force reduces the friction losses, which are unavoidable in an automatic transmission, to a minimum. In the open converter mode, in contrast, the clearance of the clutch discs is utilized due to compulsory spacing. In this way, the braking power is decisively reduced and an optimal cold start is possible. The result, more of the available engine output is at your disposal for driving. The innovative centrifugal pendulum damper was developed so that this direct connection would also work in the new highly turbocharged engine generations with the usual smooth operation. Movably mounted pendulum mass elements compensate for the uneven running characteristics of the combustion engine. A simple yet effective innovation for maximum smooth running characteristics and driving pleasure. Mercedes-Benz has developed a transmission oil with the lowest viscosity worldwide in order to achieve greater efficiency in the overall transmission. Friction losses in the transmission have thus been decisively reduced. Countless design details in the transmission had to be reworked and new materials used in order to be able to benefit from the advantages of the new oil. A technical endeavour which has been worth it. The new automatic transmission achieves a significantly higher degree of efficiency than its predecessor. The 7G Tronic Plus is now also equipped with a start-stop system. In the case of the fuel-saving automatic switch-off of the engine, the new electromotive auxiliary oil pump engages and maintains a basic oil pressure in the transmission. When the engine is restarted, the transmission is thus immediately ready for use. The fuel consumption is thereby further reduced. The electro-hydraulic control unit was also fully reworked in order to obtain better shift dynamics. An eco-shift program takes full advantage of the good power delivery of modern engines in the low-speed range and the improved damping due to the new converter. With these innovations, the new 7G Tronic Plus has achieved a significant reduction in fuel consumption of approximately 7%. A consumption reduction of up to 11 7% is possible in combination with a start-stop function. Due to its modular design, the new automatic transmission generation can be offered in all model series with rear or all-wheel drive. It will also replace the 5-speed automatic transmission from 2011 on. It will thus make an important contribution to reducing the CO2 emissions of the overall Mercedes-Benz fleet.